if your W210 sun visors are difficult to move and don't go up all the way like this, you can quickly and easily fix this with just a Phillips screwdriver and some WD-40. So you go from this to this, where it opens up easy, shuts nice. So this one, it does need a little bit more, but this is way better than this one was before. So you see, nice and easy, and it actually goes up all the way and stays up all the way compared to this. So normally when they get this bad, it won't go up much more than this. So you have this big gap here, so that's annoying. So all you need to do is get a Phillips screwdriver, take these two screws out here, one in the front, one in the back, and this will release. So all you gotta do is take those out and pop this out, and then this entire thing comes off. All right, with the visor removed, I'd recommend putting something over it to cover it up. Right here, I'm gonna use a microfiber. So just cover up this area, because we're gonna pull this rod out all the way, and we're gonna spray a bunch of WD-40 right along here. And we're gonna go and cycle it in and out like that multiple times. And we're also going to twist it until it gets loose again. So this will probably take a couple tries, a couple applications, but once you do this, it will free it up and it'll be way smoother and it'll be able to go in by itself. Okay, so you're going to spray the WD-40 on the shaft. Oop. That. And then once you spray it, you can just push it back and forth multiple times until you feel like getting softer, and just keep reapplying it as needed. And then you're going to twist it. So this will be a two-hand operation. So I'll go ahead and do this and show you the results. All right, so here it is back in the car. So what I did was I just kept going back and forth like this, and then going like that a bunch until it stopped making noise. As you can see, it no longer makes noise, and it's actually really easy to move. So it goes out and in really nice. So now, unfortunately, it doesn't go up all the way like this other side does. So you see, you kind of have to help the other side a little bit, or if you slam it, it stays. So this one needs a little bit more work, but eventually it will become like this. Just give it enough time and then it will stay up. So use a couple more rounds on this, but if you really want to just cheat, you can have it out like this. Just go up all the way like that, push it down, and then clip it back on. And that's pretty high. So much better than before. Just quick tip, if your visors are kind of screwed up, you can just get some WD-40, take them off, and lubricate them a little bit, and then you won't have to buy new ones. I hope you found it helpful. So depending on the condition of the visors and how much WD-40 you apply, this is how they could end up. So nice and easy to move. And then when you go up, it makes that clicking sound. That's what they make from factory when they were new. And it kind of helps itself up. So this one is almost as good as that. Goes up and it stays up and it's pushing up against the headliner. So that's the final result you can expect depending on the condition of the visors that you have. So just to show you again, when you go up after a certain point, it clicks, and that kind of helps it get back to its position.